In this video, I'll show you how to create a cinematic opening where bright flare-like streaks spiral toward the center of the screen and reveal your video. Start by opening your project in CapCut Mobile and placing your video clip at the beginning of the timeline. Tap on the clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation to access the animation settings. Now switch to the In tab, which controls how your video enters the screen. Scroll through the animation list until you find Flare Spiral, then apply it. Once applied, glowing light streaks spiral inward, creating a dramatic and cinematic reveal. Use the duration slider to control how fast the spiral motion happens. Shorter duration creates a fast and intense reveal. Longer duration slows it down for a smoother and more elegant effect. Preview the animation and fine-tune the timing until it feels right for your video, and that's it. You've successfully added a flare spiral reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials.